Alright, now we need to head to make our image analysis use case. Now, in order to make, we're gonna use image analysis builder in order to set back pressure to keep the latest, and we're gonna build. Now, after building, we want to set the analyzer to our analyzer, which is barcode analyzer, which we have made, and also it takes an executor. So you need to have camera executor as well. Right now we need to have those two. So in update, I'm gonna make a camera executor. It's gonna be executor new single thread executor. What new single thread executor mean? Is that use single thread operating off an unbounded queue. That means if a single thread terminates due to a failure or an exception or whatsoever that resulted in termination of that thread, a new one thread will take its place if needed to execute subsequent tasks. So if there are remaining tasks and the thread has been terminated, then it will be provided by a new thread to implement those subsequent tasks. Tasks are guaranteed to be executed sequentially, and no more than one task will be active at any given time. So at most we will only have one single task, which is our analyzing barcode image. If you know the new fixed thread pool of one, the difference is that it's non-reconfigurable. Like if it use additional thread, like if it's done, if it's being terminated, then it's done. It will not be reconfigured. That's just explanation. I'm just using camera executor here, and I will also make val barcode image analyzer. It's gonna be barcode image analyzer, and that's it. I'm gonna add it here, and voila, that's it. And I'm just gonna refactor it to be this way. And now we have we need to add our new use case in the camera to connect it. And also I want to disable what's called which is camera provider. I want to release release all previous use cases. I'm just using it for safety because I don't want to reuse something that's being used. So I will release any use case from the camera if it was already existing somewhere. Now let's rerun the app and see if we crashed something. Alright, so now let's open it. Yeah, alright, so no problem so far.